Hi, I'm back. I'm sorry. I completely forgot. I said I would show you burping these little bowls. So what you do is you pop the lid on. Some of these are a little bit new, so they're a bit harder to put on. Push the middle might help. But what I do is you just push on the middle and then just let the air out. You can hear a shh sound. And that means the bowl is sealed. And there we are. I've got it all nicely sealed away and burped. So there's no air. It's really important. If you can get all that air out of the Tupperware containers, do so, because then they're fresher. Okay, I'm off now. Bye.